Hi guys, hi, my name is Josh, also known as Yoshi Bear J. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to target the owners or the decision makers of businesses on Instagram, as well as businesses on Facebook. This is really important for people who are selling business to business and products or services. So if you're a logo designer, if you're an agency that's offering social media marketing services or email marketing services, and you want to target business owners through Instagram or Facebook, I'm going to show you how to target those people, right? Guys, as we know, I don't waste no time. I'm gonna show you step by step. Let's get into the video. So here we're in the ads manager, and then all you got to do is click create, and this will show up. Then you select sales right here. You can select sales, you can select leads, whatever objective that you're trying to do for your campaigns, that's what you choose, basically. But most of you will be doing sales, or most of you will be doing leads. It's probably going to be one of these two. Yeah. But for the sake of the video, we'll do sales and then continue. And then we're going to get hair. We're going to get hair, right? And then you can always turn this on, and let's choose this. Let's go for this budget, right? So doing this is neither here nor there. You could do advantage campaign budget, but for the sake of the video, we'll do it like this. But I want to show you the targeting of how to reach business owners on Instagram and Facebook. So once you've selected this, you've chosen your budget and all that good stuff, then you click next. Then right here, you can choose where you want the conversion to happen. It could be website app, messaging app, calls, whichever. It's totally up to you. Yeah. And then you want to select your pixel. Once you've selected your pixel, then you can choose the conversion event. So I'm not going to go too deep into this, right? But I want to show you, I want to more focus on the targeting. So go down, and right here, guys, this is the targeting, right? So you got the location, the age, the gender, detailed targeting. Then you click here, edit. Then all you got to do, guys, is click browse. Then click behaviors. Then select digital activities. And then you scroll down, and right here, Instagram business profile admins. If someone is an admin of an Instagram business profile, there's a high likelihood that they also own the business, especially if the business is a small to medium-sized business, not like a massive corporation like Nike or Amazon or anything like that. Like a small to medium-sized business, there's a high chance that the person who is the admin of the Instagram business profile is most likely going to be the owner of the business. And guys, look at the size of this audience. It's 44 to 52 million, just over 52 million. So that's one way to target the owners and the admins of Instagram, on businesses on Instagram. So you click tick it here like that. And there you go. Now, to target people who are the owners or admins of businesses on Facebook, because you have to remember, a lot of businesses that are running Facebook ads, that are spending hundreds and thousands of dollars on Facebook ads, they will have a Facebook page for their business. And this is how you target the admins of those pages, because like I mentioned before, same with Instagram, if they're an admin on that page, there's a high likely chance that they're the business owner or the decision maker of that business. So here, to target those people for Facebook, you click here, and here we go. Facebook page admins, you got business page admins. Look, 40 to 40, over 47 million. Business page admins. Is that 40 or over 47 million of business page admins? It's going to be small businesses, medium-sized businesses, businesses that are spending hundreds of thousands of dollars a day on ads, businesses that are spending only $1,000 a day on ad, like different business styles of businesses in that audience. So that's a worthy audience to target, especially if you're selling business to business services. You also got food and restaurant page admins. So if you want to target restaurants, the people who most likely are managing those pages are either the restaurant owners or the decision makers, the main decision makers of that business. So you have to remember that some businesses, it may just be one person that's running the business, that's doing everything. Some businesses, they've got 2 people, 3 people. But if you're an admin has certain powers within the account that a regular employee won't have. So if they're an admin, that means they're most likely the decision maker. And those are the people you want to be reaching out to with your ads. Retail page admins, health and beauty. So if you're trying to target spas or salons and beauty places where they do nails and all that good stuff, this is another way. Retail pages, travel and tourism. So guys, can you see it's a whole bunch of different industries and they all have admins and decision makers within those industries. And look, as you scroll down, these are big audiences. Look at this. Facebook page admins, over 500,000, over 500 million. Food and restaurant, 1 to 2 million. Health and beauty, over 15 million. These are big audiences, guys. So it's definitely something worth targeting, especially if you're selling services to other businesses. Yeah. And once you see that, all right, cool, I want to target this, then you basically just tick it and it's going to appear here. And then what you do is basically continue with building the rest of the ad. Yeah. So guys, that is how you do it. If you want to learn more about Facebook ads, how to build out your ads properly, click the link in my description where you could go to my free skills share class that basically teaches you all of that. If you want to learn further in depth on how to build Facebook campaigns and TikTok campaigns and all that good stuff. And also, like guys, when I teach this stuff, do it in your businesses, do it. Because I do it from experience. The stuff that I learned from experience that has worked for me, I teach it to you guys. So I genuinely want you guys to succeed, yeah? So make sure that you do this, especially if you want to target business owners or decision makers of Instagram businesses and business owners and decision makers of Facebook businesses on Facebook, yeah? So definitely do this, guys. But guys, as usual, I'll be coming back with more tips and tricks to help you in your businesses. Take care, guys.